In this tutorial, we will look at how you can get the share link to your quiz and add it into your class team so your students can access it. So here I am in my test of the century, and to get my share link, I'm going to go up to share here, and you're going to see send and collect responses. Only people in my organization can respond. And again, this is that setting of anonymous versus people in your organization. Again, if you do anyone with the link and you make it anonymous, it will not collect the names. So I recommend leaving it at people in my organization. Then I have the link right here. I can just simply click the copy button there, or I can select it and Control-C to copy. So now I have the link copied and I can get it out to my students however I want. Maybe it's email, maybe it's through text, maybe it's on a website I have. You also have other options here. For example, you can generate a QR code, download this, put it on printed material so students can scan it with a cell phone and get to the form. These form quizzes work just fine on mobile devices. Here you have embed code. So if you do have a website you use and you work with code, you can actually embed this forms quiz into your website. And this last one is an email link if you want to just email it straight to your students. All right, so I've got the link, and I want you to notice that, I mentioned how this works on mobile devices. When you go to preview mode here to preview your quiz, you can actually preview how it will look in mobile. So I can click there and boom, this is exactly how it's going to look on a mobile device. Okay. All right, so I've got the link. Now, what I want to do is show you how to add this into Microsoft Teams. So there's a couple of ways to do this. I'm going to go to Microsoft Teams. I'm going to go into my class team here. And there's several ways to do this. I could simply paste the link here in the posts area and boom, it'll be dropped right in there. Or I could go up to the tab at the top and I could add this as a link, a tab at the top of my team. And you can see forms is here. So I can simply click into forms and then I can say add an existing form. And there it is, test of the century. And then I could just click save, and that will add it there in as a tab at the top of my team. And I can also have this box checked to post it to the channel. So when I do that, it's going to show up not only as a tab at the top, but it's also in the posts area. So students will see it here as well. And the nice thing about this is by doing the tab, this loads right within Teams. They don't have to leave Teams to go take your test. Now, there is another way to do this. You can make this an assignment. So if I go to my assignments in Teams, I can create an assignment and select quiz. Once in here, it's going to look at my forms, and there it is, test of the century. Now, I want to call out that when you do this, it actually makes a copy of that test. So I'm not actually using the original. It's made a copy for me. It knows how many points the test is worth and plugs that right in for me. I have options of assigning it to specific students or other classes. And it's ready to go. I just click assign. So this now shows up as an assignment here in the students to-do list. And that is how you get the share link and get it out to your students.